Everybody, Jim King, King Piers team out here in Raytown, Missouri. This project here was, we've come in here and saw cut the floors, engineering 101 like we do on all the projects. And we poured them a 2 foot by 2 foot concrete footing. Let that cure for about 3 or 4 days. Then we come back in here this morning with our vertical support beams. We're not far from being finished. Once we get this done, we'll come in here and cut. These are 16 inches apart, and we will cut pieces, push them all the way to the subfloor and bolt them from the sides. Engineering 101 again, we're not bolting anything to the underside, splitting the joists. So what that will do is it will eliminate a little bit of the creaking in the floors, what they do have. And we're gonna come in here and we're gonna cut a bunch of beams up and just put these in there. And we're just about done. King Piers Raytown, for all your foundation repair needs, call me. 816-521-8915, or you can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.